2.12 second question. Log 27 to the base 9 minus log 9 to the base 27. This log 27 I can write it as log 3 cube to the base 9, because we know 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Now next log 9 can be written as log 3 square to the base 27. We have learned power rule. What is the power rule is saying is, suppose we have log x to the power n to the base a, I can write this as n log x to the base a. So the power rule says log x to the power n to the base a can be written as n log x to the base a. Now using this power 3 I can put it in the front. So I will have 3 log 3 to the base 9. Same manner, this I can write it as minus log, this power 2 will come to the front, 2 log 3 to the base 27. After writing like this, let me use the change of base rule. What is the change of base rule is, suppose I have log a to the base b, I can write it as 1 by log b to the base a. Log a to the base b, I want to bring that a as base, means 1 by log b to the base a. இப்போ இங்கே அந்த power rule தான் யூஸ் பண்ண போகிறேன். How I can write it is, இந்த வெளியில் இருக்கிற 3 அப்படியே எழுதுறேன், log the base மாத்துறேன். So log 9 to the base 3. Change of base rule யூஸ் பண்ணி இந்த 3 கீழே கொண்டு வரேன், 9 மேலே கொண்டு போகிறேன். அப்போ 1 by அப்படின்னு எழுதணும். Now this side also same thing, change of base rule யூஸ் பண்ணி 2 அப்படியே எழுதுறேன். இந்த 3 இங்கே கீழே base கொண்டு வந்துட்டு இந்த 27 மேலே கொண்டு போகிறேன். So log of 27 to the base 3. Like this I am writing. Now next what I am going to do is 3 log 9 I can write it as 3 square to the base 3. Similarly, this 27 I can write it as log 3 cube to the base 3. Again I am going to use power rule. Power rule na enna power na adha thooki munnadi potrலாம். So here both the places in the denominator I am going to use power rule, and this I can write it as 3, the power on the 2. So 2 log 3 to the base 3 minus 2 by 2 log, here what is I am having 3, sorry, so we have to write 3 log 3 to the base 3. புரிஞ்சதா? இந்த பவரை தூக்கி முன்னாடி போடுறோம், இங்கே பவர் 3 இருக்கிறது முன்னாடி போட்டுரும். Now we are going to use a property. What is the property is, we are going to have log a to the base a, the value is 1. இங்கேயும் same number and the value is 1. So here I can use that property and write it as 3 by 2, because you can see log 3 to the base 3, this will become 1. So only 3 by 2 is remaining. Here also you can see log 3 to the base 3, so that also will become 1. So this side I'll have minus 2 by 3. Now let me take the LCM. 3 is the LCM is 6. So this 3 should be multiplied with this 3. So 3 3s are 9. This 2 should be multiplied with this 2. So 2 2s are 4. 9 minus 4, the answer is 5 by 6.